Hello everyone, please read disclaimer. And I'm not a financial advisor, and this channel for educational and informational purposes only. Okay, let's move to next page. Welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and I invited you for that channel, and we are going to have 3 educational sessions. This is the first one. It's a laziest style. It's the best and easy way to learn easiest simple trading style. The next one will be basic simple trading style, and the third one will be advanced simple trading style. Please watch all 3 of them. If you like this channel, if you like this my style, I like the simple life and simplest, just simplify everything, not to make complicated. If you like it, please click like button and subscribe for the channel. Also join to Telegram community and Discord community, help each other to be successful and build nice community, happy community and wealthy community. That's the goal of the channel. It's completely free. Links to all this information in the description. Okay, let's move to next page. Okay, next page is a trading view. We're going to use trading view for the laziest. Because the trading view is a very powerful, tradingview.com, the link in the description, and it's a very powerful platform for traders. It has hundreds of and thousands of the complicated and very detailed indicators. You can build very complicated technical analysis. I am not going to tell you about that. This training just to find the laziest, the easiest, the less complicated. Anyone can do it, even kids can do it. I will show you now. I will show you how to set up and how to get knowledge and how to be able to use it for every day, for day trading, for any kind of trading, for long term, short term, any kind of. Let's start. Go to tradingview.com. Just register. You can buy a paid version. It's not expensive. It's like sometimes they have promotion $60 a month. I think the regular rate like 100 or 120 bucks a year, 60 bucks a year. It depends on the version what you like. But they have free version. Free version allows you to have 3 indicators. That's what we are going to use. We are going to use free version. You don't have to pay. You can use. That's enough for the simple trading style. Okay, let's do it now. How to set up it? Just register and open. Now first you are going to use any securities in this window. You can type any securities, you will get here. And time frame, we have multiple time frames. You can select any of them. For daily purposes, I prefer to use 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. For longer, even for day trading, like swing trading, I like to use 1 hour, 4 hours daily, and also weekly for the long time frame and monthly. You can get here. Okay, the bars we are going to use just candles, regular candles, nothing special. You can use any kind of bars, but we will use regular bars, candles. And indicators, that's the most important. Go and do search for these 2 indicators. I already have it in favorite. You will not have it. You will need to type MACD custom indicator, multiply time frame, and just make sure you have from the Chris Moody. It's a 58878 number. And the second one, and just click the star star icon to make sure it's in the favorite. And the second one is SMA 9//50/180. That's the number 586. Make sure the same number. That's the two indicators that we are going to use. Okay, now you have it. When you select it to favorite, you have it on the screen. If you go to this move mouse to this indicator, you have here, you can hide it. You will see without indicator it will be like this one. You can hide it, you can show it. You can click on the settings. In settings we have, please set SMA 50, SMA to 100, SMA 320, EMA 200. That's what you need. Please make sure you have the same settings, because that's what we are going to talk about. That we have here these lines, right? You can use that 50 and 100. Let me turn off 50 and 100 for now. Okay, click OK. That's all we have. Now let's maximize it to have better picture. We are done with this indicator, right? Let's move to second indicator, MACD. Same, move mouse here. Without this, it will be like this one. Move mouse to settings, and do settings here similar like I have. You can set any colors you like, but for input, please use the same default settings. I believe it's a default. For color, you can use any colors you like. Okay, now let's talk about the trading, simple trading style. You see, this, we have daily time frame. Daily, it means every bar. If you see every bar, it's a 1 day. 1 day. For today training, we are going to use 1 day. But it's the same for the 1 hour. For 4 hours, it's the same. It generates 1 bar, but it will be 1 bar per hour for every hour. I just would like to start from 1 day. And this script it already tells you when to sell, when to buy. Let me you see, let's say here on the top, right, it says sell, it moves down, goes down, buy here. Every time it's a simple, nothing to explain. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Very easy. And the second thing, that's what I want to add to that script, it's a moving averages. This is yellow, it's MA20. We said it's MA20. It's a moving averages 20 days, because now it's a 20 days, which is like the daily. If it will be 1 hour, it will be 20 hours average. And this is MA 200. It's average for 200 days. And if you see, when bars above the 200 and about 20, it's a bullish direction. When MA 200 uphill, uptrend, when it's up, it's a bullish trend. When it's down, like this one, it's a bearish trend. It's so simple. When MA20 yellow line about 200 and bars about MA20 and about 200, about all lines, it's always bullish scenario. When bars below MA20 and MA200, it's always bearish scenario. If you see, when MA20 crossed over 200, It's a bearish scenario. Market went down. Let me maximize it, and you will see it. Better picture, bigger picture. You see the bars? This was top of the market in January 2020. And the script says sell, sell, sell over here. January 4th, beginning of the January, sell. And it crossed the 20. MA20 changed direction. You change direction and move to 200. That's the bearish direction, right? We bearish. The script is more sensitive. It shows sell, buy. This move you could sell again, buy here, move up, sell again, buy here. It's more sensitive and more detailed script. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, right? It's every movement. I'm talking about just general direction. The MA20 crossed MA200, and now it's completely bearish because all bars below 200, below 20, it's completely bearish. When bars below 200, it's a bearish market. If you see the MA200 change direction from uptrend to downtrend to bearish trend, from bullish trend to bearish trend, and direction is downtrend. And that's why now we are in the bearish trend, and we below MA200, below 20, below all moving averages, right? I think it's a simple, nothing complicated. The second additional tool that you have, indicator, it's a moving averages. And it's very important to use this tool too. If you see here, it says green color. It's when it moves up, it's a bullish direction, right? When it crosses the when this is moving averages line, it changed color from green to red. When it's bullish, it's green. When it's bearish, it's red. When green cross over a signal line, it changed color to red. It's a bearish direction. And see here, market was top over here, and it says change direction from green to red, right? It was red on the top, it was red again, it was green, red, and it went down. It went down, and it changed color to green. It moved up again. When it changed color to red, it moved down. It's a bearish. When MACD change color from green to red, that's a change line, it's a change color. When green light changed to red color, it's a bearish direction. Sell it. Sell everything on top and buy everything on bottom. That's how it works. That's market top. MACD says, okay, we are changing color from green to red. Sell. It's a sell signal. Stay bearish till here. It was red. Red changed to green. It moved up. It was bullish until the green color changed the direction. If you combine this indicator and this script, when it says sell, just conform with the MACD. MACD said change color also to green. It's a sell. It's a sell indicator. Just don't think, just follow the rules. To be successful, the most important is technical analysis is very simple. It's a simple style, that's what I'm showing you. But the most complicated, it's emotional to follow the rules. If indicator says trading style change from bearish to bullish, you have to be bullish. If it changed from bullish to bearish, you have to change to bearish. You have to sell it because it's not bullish anymore. And that's the most important. Just follow the rules. And the most important thing, we are not going to predict, and we don't have crystal ball to say where market is going. Well, we are going to just follow the market. The most important, follow the market. Market change direction, we change direction. Always follow the market. You're not trying to guess what market will do. You just follow the market. Market bullish, you bullish. Market bearish, you bearish. That's how it works, and it works very, very well if you follow the rules. The most important, to train yourself to follow the rules. Like here, you see, red color change direction to green, you move up, 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 and on the top it changed the color to red. It's a bearish. Sell it. Market still under the bearish direction. Here it's a sell. Yeah, like I said, it's more sensitive. It gives you every move, but it says sells. You can trade it sell, and under 200, under 20, just stay bearish. Stay bearish. Don't change direction because you are below 200, below 20. You're bearish. Bearish until the red line will cross over the signal line. That's the signal for you. And here you will see buy. That's the signal when you want to change direction. As of now, you don't change direction, you follow the market. Follow the market trend. If you change time frame, it's the same. 4 hours, right? Look at it. On the 4 hours, it's a little bit different, right? But it works the same way. Look at it. Market was changing direction here, and it's still green. We'll see, will it change direction or not, but it's still below MA 200, below 20, still on the sell mode. Same for 1 hour. You see, it's more sensitive, more accurate. You see, it was changed direction to green here to buy. Then immediately after like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, it changed direction to sell. That's what happened, during the day. Like every hour it changed the bar, it changed direction. Same if you change like to 5 minutes. Remember, to 5 minutes it will be more sensitive. Like every 5 minutes it generates bar. Look at it. You see, we were kind of green, and last 10 minutes market changed everything. Last 10 minutes, huge sell-off every 5 bars. But we will see the all bars below MA 220 and below MA 200. It means we are bearish. Market is bearish because it's below all MAs. To change bullish, we need bars should cross MA 20 and try to turn MA 20 and cross MA 200. That will be bullish trend. Like here, look at that. Remember, it's a 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's see how it was over here. MA 20 change to 100. This is the when MA 20 change to 100 up, it's a bullish direction. When MA 20 change MA 200 down, it's a bearish direction. That's how simple it works. And same MACD. MACD change direction, and MA lines change direction too. They are synchronized. You see, they say sell here to confirmation on top, sell on the MACD, sell. You have both sell, right? Here sell and here sell. Why you should stay long? No way. If you have sell, you have sell it. sell it and wait for the confirmation until it moves, right? And cross to green again. Remember, we sell on the top. This is the middle line. It's a zero line. The blue one is a zero middle line. Zero line. We sell on top is in the bearish zone. This is bearish zone. This is bullish zone. Below zero. Below zero, we are in the bullish zone. We buy in the bearish zone, very low, right? Here. We buy here in the bearish zone and sell in the bullish zone. That's how it works. You see, we have green light here. Green line cross the signal line, and buy signal already turned on the script, on the chart, and it moved up. It moved up. Unfortunately, it didn't move too far, right? Because it moved across the MA 20. It is bullish, but it came back. When it came back, it's bearish again. It was bearish here until this point, right? Until again it changed direction, until that it crossed the MA 20. When it crossed MA 20 again, it is a bullish direction when bars above MA 20. And bars, you see the green line also turned from red to green, and it's a bullish direction until it crossed to MA 200. Bars crossed MA 200. It's a bullish direction, but MA 20 didn't cross. It turned direction because we got the sell signal here and sell signal here. It's a bearish. We have to sell it here and sell it here, because remember, we sell it on the top and buy it on the bottom. Sell it on the top in the bullish zone and buy it on the bottom in the bearish zone. That's how it works. It doesn't matter. You can use for any securities. Like I said, BTC. Let's do for crypto, right? This is crypto. Same. Everything's the same. Buy here, and sell here on the top, right? Sell here. Same way. Just buy here, sell here. Just follow the indicators on the script and follow the MACD. It's so simple, it's so easy. I want to show you one more thing. Just turn on, because I turn off the MA1 and 2. It's a 50 and 100. Let's say. Now you have additional lines. It's a MA. This is blue MA50 and MA100. You can use it, but it's additional kind of, you see how here it works as a support. Bars stopped on that line. Sometimes it's not a law, it's not a 100% that it will work like this. Look at it here. Bars just touch 200, because 200 is very this is resistant line, because we below it's resistant, and 20 as a support because it's below bars. And MA 200 is above bars, it's a resistant. And you see it touched once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Finally it crossed. It did touch multiple times before it crossed. It was resistant until it crossed it. You can use this MA 50 or 100 or not. If it makes you complicated, just you can easily turn it off and just use MA 20 and MA 200. That's all. So simple, anyone can use. Like Bitcoin, you see, it's the same trading, only additional. It's kind of bonus. Look at that. When you have bars so far from MA 20 and from MA 200, bars always wants to go back to 200, to 20 and 200. It's like 200. It's like magnet. It's like magnet. The bars always wants to go back to 200, and MA 20 wants to go back to 200. Look at that here. This is the normal state, right? This is the normal state when 20 and 200 next to each other, and bars also. Let's see, bars moved so far from 200 and moved so far from 20. 20 moves so far from 200 also. What bars did here? When they're so far, when you see so far here in green light, and buy it because it's 100%, it will move back to 20. 99% it will move back to 20. And 20 will move back to 200. This is the normal state. Normal state when 20 and 200 and bars together. This is normal state. This is the white state. When the bars go so far. Look at here. Same. Bars moved far, they came back. They moved up very far from 200, from 20. They came back to 20. 20 came back, they came back to 20. This is the normal state. It was close. Now we are in a normal state. Bitcoin in normal state, right? It's up to date, but they cannot stay in a normal state. That they always wants to stay in a normal state, but market moves. Market never goes straight line. It always moves up and down. Look at that here. Bars moved so far from 200 and from 20. They came back to 20. They moved and they came back to 200. Each time, moved far from 200, came back to 200. They always, same these bars, look at it. Moved up, came back. This is zero line. When it's a zero line, it's a normal state when bars and they made 20 and 200 together. This is the normal state when it's like market has three directions: up, down, and sideways. This is the sideways. It's a normal state when market doesn't have any volatility, like any huge volatility, right? Look at this. This is the 5 minutes, and during the 5 minutes, you see it was kind of small movements, but not very. Like here, right? Buy here, look at that, so huge movement. This was so huge. Okay, I think let's talk about what I did show you. Like I said, you can go to any, let's say, like Tesla. If we can go to Tesla and see the Tesla, let's move from to 1 hour. Any time frame you like to trade. Like I said, for beginners, just be simple. Use 4 hours on day or daily. Use daily. Just for daily, you can just check market once a day. You don't have to watch it all the time. You don't need to sit at the market. You don't need to sit and watch charts all the time. Look at it. This is the test. This is Tesla on daily. You see it crossed 20 and 200. It's a bearish state. But 20 is above 200, but it's a bearish state. Bars needs to come back and cross and be above 20 to make market bullish, to make Tesla bullish. As of now, bars crossed, they're trying to be bearish, but they did it here too, right? And they changed direction immediately. As of now, as of today, they're bearish. We'll see. The same, if you see this chart, it's the same. When bars go so far, they come back. They came back. When bars went so far from 220, they came back. They always, bars likes to be next to 20. They wants to cross the 20, stay at the 20. When they move so far, they came back. Same MACD. Okay, I repeat myself several times. I think it's a clear. and everyone should understand it's not complicated and it should be easy for everyone. If you have any questions, please follow my channel. Please subscribe for my channel and for the community, and I will do daily updates like I said, and you will be able to learn from my daily updates every day, and you will get it. It's not complicated. It's very, very simple. Just train yourself to be organized and follow the rules. Buy and sell, not to look for the excuse why not to sell, because buy don't sell something. I don't follow news. Don't follow news. News is always news. Some people think that news manipulate with the market. I believe the media always find the excuse in news to follow the market, because news follows the market. Money talks. Media follows the market. Okay, and thank you so much for your time, for watching this video, and good luck. I hope it was very useful for you. Thank you. It's a simple trading style. Subscribe and please watch the next channel and next video if you like this video, and follow us. Thank you so much. Bye.